Hello friends, just open your settings application, then select general and scroll up, then select date and time. Then you can see here the option of set automatically, it is turned on. You need to turn off to change your iPad time. Okay, now you can see here time in blue color. Just tap on that, and after getting this one, you select this one. Okay, then you can simply use your fingers to change the value of time, like hours, minutes, or AM or PM, like this. Okay, and in current there is no use of changing time. You can only select screenshots only, and most of the applications have the ability to identify the current time without using your system time. So it is not useful in the current situation, but before, years before, we can easily cheat some applications while using this system time changing backwards. Okay, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you turn on the automatically option, then it is just change it to your time automatic. You can see here my videos, I'm doing that in previously. And that's it guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.